Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. As I'm losing weight and getting a little more fit, the Reddit recommended routine, body weight exercises, calisthenics is getting a little bit easier. So the plan is to make a bunch of videos on how I am personally progressing each of them. The first one is pull-ups. The plan is to go from a pull-up into a muscle-up. I've done these in the past, but let's still do some research and see if there's any new information. Okay, I really like Adam's video saying if you can do 10 pull-ups, you can muscle up. He starts in the back here and will swing forward a little bit and then get his body behind the bar to come over. This video is also pretty good from Fitness FAQ. Let's go warm up and make sure we can do 10 pull-ups. All right, super happy I could do 10 pull-ups. I think for beginners, it's perfectly acceptable to do the swinging and kicking and kipping until we're strong enough to do a strict muscle up. Let's start further back for a little momentum. Nope. All right, so clearly not strong enough. The plan is to do this instead of 3 sets of 10 pull-ups. I will do 3 sets of however many pulling to chest, pulling to stomach to build the power to get over the bar. Let's try that again. Yeah, nope. All right. Let's work on that. Since I try to do the Reddit routine 3 times a week, we will practice this and hopefully be strong enough to do a muscle up soon. It's only been 2 weeks and I'm making pretty good progress. So I think the video is correct. If you're able to do 10 pull-ups, the rest is figuring out timing and when to kick your body up. Ooh. It's still a little hard, but super happy to have upgraded the pull-ups. The plan now is to do as many of those every time I work out, and we're gonna go down the list. So next should be hopefully pistol squats. Video number 203 done.